Hi, this is Scoggett. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm doing pretty good. Got home this morning from picking up my car from the shop, and there was a package by my door. And we're going to go ahead and open the package. We're going to see what's inside it. And the package is from my brother, Mike Dobbs, Mick Cotton Bar-B-Q, from Los Angeles, California. And I don't have any idea what's inside it, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and find out what's inside the box. Was kind of alive at 5 there for a sec. I'll zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Got my handy 6-shooter knife here. Well, we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I think it opened this way. Find out. All right. We're going to go ahead and open it up. We got a package of jelly belly jelly beans. We're going to have to hide this from Mrs. Scoggett. Mrs. Scoggett finds it, she'll eat them. I can't really have sugar, so she might get them anyway. Got 2 Air Queen nanofiber filter masks. Got 2 of these. I can use these. There's a letter here. Well, I'll read later. Let's see. Oh man, it's a Thermapen. It's a Thermapen MK4. This is like the top of a line thermometer. It's supposed to. Mike Dobbs owns. I think he owns 2 of these, and he swears by this. He said this is the best thermometer in the world, and I know they're pretty expensive. I really don't know how much they are, but I know they're pretty expensive. And I have never had a thermometer like this, like a digital one. Well, I do have a digital, a Weber thermometer. It's like cost me $10 at Walmart, but I have never had a one like this. He says that it gives you the reading in like 1 second, and y'all check out his channel. He has this thermometer in action. But oh man, that is like, whew. It says auto rotating display, 2 3-second readings, intelligent backlight, and super fast. And oh, thanks so much, Mike Dobbs. This is like, oh, and I know these are pretty expensive. I really don't know how much they are because I never priced them, but I'm gonna read up on this, and it's got a little booklet with it, and it tells, well, it's got some other things in here. It looks like a little catalog type. Wow, that's neat. I'll have to really look at this. And just a really fine thermometer from what I hear. Go ahead and zoom out here. Whoop, going the wrong way. Oh, Mike Dobbs, I want to thank you so much for sending me this thermometer. I wasn't expecting this, but I barbecue a lot and everything, and grill a lot, so this is going to be put to good use. I tell you, wow. I seen his on his channel. He made some steaks, and the steaks come out excellent. And he made some ribeye steaks. He stuck the thermometer in it, and it's like bam, the reading was right there, just dead digital. And it just, oh, thanks so much. This is just a wow, I don't know what to say. I'm just so excited over this. And I will be putting it to good use, and we'll do a demonstration on this. I'll do a demonstration on it, and we'll see how it works and everything. I'm going to read up and on it and find out how it operates, and go from there. This is Scoggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and wow, man, that's a great thermometer. It's I seen his in action on this channel, and it's just really nice. And thanks so much, my brother Mike Dobbs, Mick Cotton Bar-B-Q. Y'all check out his channel. He's got he's got a PT grill what's made of aluminum, and I had a friend back in the 80s. I think I have a friend what had one of those because his was aluminum. We grilled on that thing at about 11 o'clock in the morning, and at 11 o'clock at night we were still grilling on it, and it was on the same charcoal, so it holds the heat really good. And his is just a real nice aluminum color, just silver. Y'all check out his channel, you'll be able to see it. It's a PT grill. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. We want to look through this catalog and this little flyer here, see what other items they have, and also I'm going to read and find out how this thermometer works. This is Scoggett. Y'all stay safe and take care. I want to make a correction on the name of that grill. It's not a PT grill, it's a PK grill. A PK grill. Old Scoggett got so excited about that thermometer, he forgot what he was saying.